In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the shake effect in Clipchamp. If you've been looking to add an exciting dynamic to your videos, this effect can help you create a touch of movement and energy. It's super simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step to ensure you can easily replicate this technique. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head to clipchamp.com. This is the platform we'll be using, so make sure you're on their homepage. Now, if you haven't signed in already, it's time to do that. You'll see an option to sign in at the top of the page. Click on that link and you'll be prompted to continue with Microsoft. Go ahead and select that option. You may need to pick your Microsoft account if it's not automatically selected, so just click on your account when it appears. Once you're signed in and have reached the Clipchamp homepage, your next move is to create a new video. You'll find this option quite prominently displayed, so click on Create a New Video. With your new project ready, the next step is to get the media you want to edit. Click on the option Import Media to bring your video files into the Clipchamp editor. You can easily use the drag and drop feature here to place your video onto the timeline. Now that your video is in place, let's get to the fun part, applying the shake effect. On the interface, you should notice an option labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that to open up a variety of effects you can use. From this selection, you're going to find the shake effect. Simply clicking on it is enough to apply it to your video. This effect will give your footage that little jolt of energy, adding visual interest and an eye-catching movement. And there you have it. You've now successfully applied the shake effect to your video using Clipchamp. Remember, the shake effect is great for emphasizing certain moments, adding drama, or simply preventing your video from feeling too static. Feel free to experiment with it to see how it complements your creative vision. From signing in to applying that final shake effect, you've breezed through what could seem a daunting task but isn't with a bit of guidance. I hope this tutorial was helpful in demonstrating how you can easily infuse some dynamic elements into your videos. Keep practicing and exploring other effects Clipchamp has to offer for even more creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.